How to change nickname in Archero 2. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Changing your nickname in Archero 2 is a simple way to personalize your profile and let other players recognize you. So in that case, first of all, launch open the Archero 2 application on your smartphone or tablet and wait for the game to load. Once it does, go to the upper left corner and tap on your profile icon. And now click on the pencil button right next to your current name. Enter a new nickname. The first nickname change once you create an account will be free. Go ahead and write down a nickname and click confirm. And right after you do that, you'll see your nickname changed. If you want to change it again, then you'll need to spend 100 gems in order to create a new nickname. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.